Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I am going to talk about how can you log in to your account in Credit Karma. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to log into your Credit Karma, you just simply have to open any of your browser into your phone. And after that, just simply search for Credit Karma. And after searching Credit Karma, you will get to see this option at the top. Just simply open this Institute Credit Karma option, and after opening this option, you will get this page into your browser. Now you just simply have to tap into this login button in order to log in your account. Tap into that option and you will get this page to enter email address and password. Just simply enter your email address in order to log into your account, and after that enter your password and tap to log in. Then after doing this very easy step, you will successfully be logged in to your Credit Karma. This way you can very easily log into your Credit Karma account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.